it's Jessie Lynn. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And regardless if you've been here before or not, look down below and give this video a thumbs up. It means so much to me. So I'm super excited today about this video. If you've never heard of Lux SB, then you need to look them up. They are a fragrance subscription, and usually you pick out your 3 shades, but they sent these to me and I sent them 3 fragrances that I really do love, and then they picked out 3 that I thought I would like, and I'll tell you in a minute what they are, but I really do love them. I'm wearing one of them right now and I keep smelling it and I'm just like, oh. If you don't choose a fragrance, they do have fragrance specialists that will choose for you. And from what they sent me, I'm telling you, they're good. For me, okay, I'm gonna go ahead. First of all, this is how you open it. You just twist it. And let me make sure I'm spraying the right one. Yes, this is it. Anyways, you just twist it and voila. And to replace it, you would just pull it out. I mean, it's so easy. This one is Salt Caramel by Shea and Blue. It's a niche brand in UK and it's exclusive to Lux SB. One large size bottle takes 3 pounds of fruit, flowers, and spices to create. And I absolutely love it. It smells so sweet and floral at the same time. Like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Let's see, and this one is Vanilla Apricot by Contour Sud Pacific. I know I'm saying it wrong, but anyways, it smells very good. It's a more sophisticated type smell. I don't know, it smells so good. And then they sent me Viva La Juicy Soiree by Juicy Couture. And Juicy Couture, oh my gosh, I love all of their scents. I've tried the Viva La Juicy, the Viva La Juicy Noir. Oh my gosh, this one smells so good too. I'm obsessed. And you get a little bag, so I mean it's easy to carry around in your purse. It's $15 a month and it's for men and women. They offer over 500 brands and it's month to month, and you can cancel anytime. It's free shipping, and you just take a short survey to receive fragrance recommendations, and you choose the fragrance from the recommendations or from the entire collection. Each one is 0.3 ounces, but you get 3 of them and you get new one each month, so that's plenty. And they're just so cute to me. I just love, oh, let me spray my perfume. Anyways, I'm a dork, sorry. Each month you'll after your first month you'll get this. After, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. The first month you'll get the hard case and the perfume. After that you'll just get the perfume and you'll just reuse these. You'll receive a new case quarterly. If you do the premium, which is $18 a month, and it's access to exclusive scents, you'll get a new case each month, but otherwise you just get one every 3 months. And if you find a scent and you fall in love with it, you can order it as a member, and that's really cool because I may be ordering the Salt Caramel one because it smells so good. And they send you these cards that kind of go over some of the scents, and that's really cool to me. So far, I'm really enjoying it. I got this last week, and so far I have not used any of my perfumes that I already had because these 3 smell really good, and I like that they're not big and bulky, so they don't take up a lot of space. Before they sent me these, I never realized how convenient a perfume subscription is, because perfumes get so expensive. I mean, some run up to over $100. So this is a great inexpensive way to try some of those that you can't afford, or you don't want to splurge on, or you just don't want to spend that much money and be stuck with that perfume for a while. I don't know. However, for whatever the reason is, it's so much cheaper to do this. And then you can, for cheaper, test out so many different ones. So I highly recommend checking them out. If you do, you can use, where my notes go? Sorry, I'm using my phone for notes. If you want to, you can use the code Jessie Lynn and get 35% off. So instead of $15, it would be $9.75, but that's just for the first month. But it's still $9.75 for 3 perfumes. Like, that's good. That's good. Anyways, this one right here, Blueberry Musk. It says the scent of sensuality, blueberries, orange blossom, magnolia musk, and cashmere woods. Like, I want to see what this smells like so bad. Sorry. Anyways, that is it for this video. I will see you on my next one. If y'all have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'm sorry, I was looking at my phone a bunch and not at you. But I have anxiety. So I would rather read it than trust myself that I had everything memorized. I don't want to leave anything out for you guys. I want y'all to be as informed as I am. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Toodles.